Welcome to Navigating Your Permanent Digital Home, Forever's first webinar training. My name is April Hogue, Forever's first Customer Care Associate, and I will be leading today's webinar. I joined Forever because I do believe that every life matters, and the idea of preserving my own family's legacy is important for future generations. Today's agenda. We're going to review Forever's key commitments we have to you, go over the two main navigation links, Home and Library, go through and investigate some important pages on the Forever site, and take you through a tour of a well-curated Forever site so you can get ideas for your own Forever account. Forever's three key commitments that we make to our permanent members are preservation, protection, and privacy. You will now be able to preserve your most precious memories for future generations. You control your family's legacy and the content that is viewed on your Forever account. You only pay once and you own your permanent account, guaranteed for generations. Your family's legacy will always be protected. Your content is backed up several times in geographically diverse locations, and you retain sole ownership of all of your content. You have complete control over what content you choose to keep private, share with friends and family, or share publicly. At the end of this webinar, feel free to contact customer support at 1-888-FOREVER, or you can send us an email at forever@forever.com. Let's get started. If you haven't logged onto your Forever account, type in www.forever.com in your preferred browser. Log in using the email we have on file and the password you created. If you don't remember your password, choose the Forgot Your Password link. Put your email in the blank space and then click Reset Password. Now let's get started. Click on the Home tab. The Home tab is the centralized place where you can access everything you need for your Forever account. You will see on the top we have three main navigation links: Home, Library, and Search. To the right, there's a Help tab providing you with the latest updates and releases and other valuable information. You will see your most recent albums, a view of your most recent photos. On the right-hand side, you will see a list of your friends and family. On the left-hand side of the page, you will see your profile picture. Underneath your profile picture, you will see a link to edit your profile data. Let's go ahead and click on Edit Profile. This brings you to your Settings page. You can access this page two ways: by clicking the Edit Profile link, which we just did, or by clicking the Settings tab in the top right-hand corner. This is where you can update your settings and your general profile data. You can upload a profile picture by choosing Select File and choosing your profile picture from a folder on your desktop. Below your profile picture, you'll see a drop-down menu that says Profile Visibility. Here you can choose whether you want your profile to be visible to the public or only visible to friends and family. You can add your other personal information like your hometown, occupation or passion, birthday, and add a personal description. Always remember, after updating your profile data, you must click Save Profile every time you make a change. To the left is the Settings panel. You can change your password. You can view the amount of storage that you've used. You can also buy more storage if you start to run out of space. There's also a tab for adding account managers. These will be people that you want to pass down your family legacy to. The last link is for sharing with friends and family. I'll show you how to manage friends and family later in this webinar. Now let's go to the Library tab. Here is where you'll be able to upload photos and begin to organize your family archive. At the top of the page, you will see a black bar. This is called an action bar. There will be a link to upload photos and create a new album. When you click Upload Photos, you'll be able to choose a source. You can either choose My Computer, or you can choose to upload your photos from Facebook. You can either choose File or drag files here to upload your photos. Your photos will upload by groups. From the All Photos view, you can choose how to sort the photos you've uploaded by upload time, which is the default, date, or collection. When you click on the thumbnail of a photo, it brings up the photo light box. On the right, you'll see a profile picture. You'll see your name. You'll see you can enter a date. You can use this picture as your profile picture. And you can rename the photos, add tags, enter a description, and choose privacy settings. Private means only you can see the photo. Friends and family means only people in your group as friends and family can see your photo. And public means all Forever members can see your photo. At the top left of the lightbox, you'll be able to download, edit, and delete. When you choose to edit the photo, this brings up a separate editing tool. So if your photo uploads sideways, you can change the orientation. Another useful tool is the crop tool. Make sure that you save the edited photo. Another great feature is, once you've edited the photo, you'll have the option to revert back to the original copy. To close the lightbox and return to the library, the Close button is located at the top right-hand corner. To create a new album from the top black action bar, choose the New Album tab. From this view, you are inside the album that you just created. You can name the album. On the far right, you can change the privacy settings and enter a description. Next, we're going to talk about collections. On the bottom left-hand panel, you'll be able to create collections. Think of collections as virtual storage bins where you can organize the photos that you've uploaded. Albums are more for presentation. To create a new collection, you will click New Collection. Name the collection and click Create. When you click on a photo that is inside of a collection, you'll see a purple tag that has the same name as the collection. If you delete that purple tag, it will take the photo out of the collection. Another great feature of the library is the bulk selection tool. Once you drag and release over the photos you want to select, you'll see a green action bar at the top of the screen. It will tell you the number of photos you've selected. You can clear the selection, add to an album, add to a collection, or delete the selected photos. Now let's discuss adding friends and family to your Forever account. From the Home tab on the right-hand side, click the link that says Manage Your Friends and Family. On the right, you can search for another permanent member's name. The heading Friends and Family Connections. This is a list of people who have given you permission to see their content, or people who've added you to their group as friends and family. You'll also have the option to add the people who have given you permission. To the left, you will see the heading My Friends and Family, or People I've given permission to see my content. If you choose, you can also remove people from your group as friends and family. The last thing that we're going to talk about is the Feedback tab. The Feedback tab can be seen from every page on the Forever application. This should be used if you have questions about one of the features on the Forever site, if you have a feature request, or if you've experienced a malfunction with the Forever application. We've discussed the basics of navigating your Forever account. I've also given you some basic tips and tricks for using your Forever account. This will conclude the webinar, Navigating Your Permanent Digital Home. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget, if you have any questions or concerns, please contact 1-888-FOREVER to reach customer support.